Make your building safer and stronger. Setting a new standard in building maintenance. The K Housing. Cracks and leaks are common in aging building exteriors. The K Housing's K-Crack Seal effectively solves these problems. Here's how the repair process works. The process begins with pressure washing the exterior to remove dirt and debris. Next, the cracks are sealed and repaired with K-Crack Seal. Then, a binder is applied. This is followed by a protective anti-stain coating. Finally, the repair is finished with a decorative coating. K-Crack Seal boasts exceptional durability, standing strong against time and seasonal changes. K-Crack Seal combines premium German acrylic with eco-friendly 3D fibers, maintaining flawless durability without re-cracking, despite seasonal temperature changes. Our technology is defined by quality, and our trust is backed by patents. Enduring strength, lasting quality, the standard of perfection. K-Crack Seal.